Hello and welcome. This is Alan Jansson, Acupuncturist, and thank you for viewing this video. This will be the first in a series of videos explaining how acupuncture may be of benefit to several common ailments experienced in the 21st century. The first of these ailments that I would like to talk about is lower back pain. This is a very common condition that we see in clinic. In the last 30 years, definitely would have seen thousands of people coming into the clinic with varying levels of lower back pain, from a very dull, constant nagging ache to excruciating, agonizing pain that makes it very, very difficult for the patient to move. I've found in my time as a practitioner that acupuncture can be incredibly beneficial. Initially in relieving the pain and making the patient more comfortable, but more in the long term, from an Oriental medical perspective, we are addressing the fundamental energetic imbalances that contribute to this really debilitating condition. I myself have experienced lower back pain, and I've actually had acupuncture treatment for lower back pain from a number of my students, including my daughter. In all situations, I've found that has come to the rescue really wonderfully for me. In regards to the patients that I've seen in clinic, many of the patients that I've seen, again, great relief. There are several different scenarios with lower back pain. There's the dull, nagging ache, which will constantly plague the individual and not perhaps debilitate them so much, but erode on the quality of life. This is what we know in Oriental medicine as kidney deficiency syndrome, and it's related very much to the constitution of the individual and their lifestyle. That condition, the dull nagging ache, can then be a background for acute, severe lower back pain. That's the one where you'll bend over and then, oh, this is very difficult to get up. Or as I did recently at Los Angeles airport, bend over to pick up my suitcase, picked up the suitcase, and it was a case of, ooh, that hurt, and I have to be very, very careful. One of the key factors in the treatment of lower back pain with acupuncture is to see the patient as soon as possible as the pain becomes prominent. This helps us, A, stop the condition deteriorating into a very, very severe, debilitating situation, and it helps resolve the condition obviously quicker because we're dealing with it in a more expedient manner. Interestingly, the needling techniques that we use for lower back pain in the main are extremely gentle, and we use a heating substance to actually warm the back. Most patients respond to the heating substance known as moxibustion in a very, very positive way, and invariably commenting on how much better they feel at the end of treatment. I expect during the course of a treatment that a patient suffering from lower back pain will experience a considerable amount of relief from the treatment. From that particular situation, then we move to the very, very debilitating condition of lower back pain that is then extrapolated into sciatica, where the pain shoots down the leg and causes a numb, neural, nervy, burning pain in the lower part of the leg, behind the knee, in the hamstring, down in the toes. This condition can be just a constant nagging issue for people trying to lead a normal lifestyle. With acupuncture, I've treated people with severe prolapses of the intervertebral discs, which has contributed very much so to their lower back pain. I've treated people who have had surgery, laminectomies, where the actual disc material has been removed to help them recover from the surgical process, and also to maintain equilibrium and balance in the lower back post-surgery. This is very, very important, because once that vital disc or the intervertebral disc is removed, then the tendency for the discs both above and below where the surgery has taken place, the tendency for those discs to deteriorate increases significantly. So everything that a patient can do to maintain integrity of the lower back is very important. In a nutshell, I found acupuncture for lower back pain to be incredibly effective.